Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Monday the 26th of February, we went to Yate. 2 wooden kits. Siege Beast, Desktop Attack Bot, Catapult. Yeah, okay. Laser cut, so the bit should come out nicely. Looks fairly simple and basic. Yeah. Okay. Well, I bought it because it's a wooden kit and I like wooden kits. We'll see how well it works. Long Crane Broxton, company name, or the Lagoon Group. Right, and then the other wooden kit. Oh, that was £1.99, which is what I have to accept as the going price now. I used to pay about £1 for something like that, and the prices seem to have doubled. Oh, I've just noticed that laser cut's not very neat. It's actually out of line. You see that? Yeah. And there. Oh. That might look different from the other side. We'll see. Anyway, then I bought this one, £2.25. I wasn't going to buy it because that was that much more expensive. But then I thought, well, that's only 26 pence more than the other one. So I did go back and buy it. It's one that somebody started. And one of the bits is actually broken in there, I can see. So another reason for not paying that sort of money for it. But then I thought, yeah, might as well buy it and do it. I'm not sure if I've done a crocodile before in my kits. It looks familiar, so I may already have done one. Australian Geographic. Imported by Australian Geographic Retail. Ridge Street, Gordon, Australia. Anyway, I'm going to make this one now. I don't normally do that straight on from one of my charity shop videos, but I don't think there's any point in putting this one in the car because it's already been started. The bits may all fall out when I try and work on them. So we'll do it now. Put a bit of glue on there. Or shall I wait till I've finished? Let's put a little bit of this acrylic glue on there. I'll probably regret doing that. Probably all come apart. Oh, these aren't pushed in far enough anyway. Well, we'll just have to hope that they've got it right. At least we got the instructions. Right, that looks about right. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.